Hi, hello guys, it's coming from Phoenix, and the day is Sunday, the 14th of May, and this is our market review. So, as per always, we'll go through what we spoke about last week or the week before, see how those trades are doing, and then we will look for new opportunities this week. So, we start off with Euro dollar. Now, Euro dollar, we've been waiting for 3 weeks for this trade. We spoke 3 weeks ago, and we expected the market to go down and then rally up, which it did, but it didn't quite get to a target one. 2 weeks ago, I then expected it to go down again and back up, which it did, and still didn't get to target one. And last week, we called the same thing again to get down into the R zone and to go up to target one. So it's got down to the zone and it's heading towards target one, but we just need to wait and see if it gets as far as target one. So this is still an open trade. We've been in it for 3 weeks now, and it's currently in floating profit. So we just need to sit back and wait for that to hit target one before we can start applying money management techniques. The next one is Aussie US dollar. Now this has also been open for 3 weeks, but it's finally hit target two. So it took a while to get there, but we got there, and we are looking at about 230 pips profit on that trade. So well done for all those who took that, and we can now close this off and look for new opportunities next week. Next we had pound Swiss franc. Now on this we took a stop. We got stopped out of this. So this was a -1% trade for that setup. So that's pound Swiss took a stop. We had a sell stop order in what was the Elliott wave count, looking for the ABC correction. We had the A, the B was a bit overextended, and it seems to be heading down towards a potential C, but it's a clear impulse move, and we'll just leave this for now. So pound Swiss took a stop, -1%. Next, we had Aussie New Zealand dollar, and this has finally hit target two as well. So this was we had a sell stop order here for the swing traders or for the day traders from the black level, which was intraday. So for those guys, they made 280 pips profit, which is a good trade. So we've hit target two. We took this trade from the 22nd of the 3rd is when it was originally opened. So it's been a month and a half holding on to this position to get the full profits out of it. So those were the trades from a few weeks ago. Now last week we had a few calls. So I called pound yen, and the call last week was for it to go up into the zone and then reverse down. So yeah, we've hit the zone, we've entered the trade, and we're just waiting for this to hit target one. So that's pound yen currently floating profits, and we'll wait and see if that hits target one to secure profits and manage our trades. The next one we called last week was pound Aussie. Now on pound Aussie, once again, we call this to hit the zone or to tag the zone and to come down, which it has. And so we've hit target one, which is 260 pips in profit. And so that we now manage our trades, we secure our money. We're not going to lose any more on this trade. It's pure profits from here on in. And so that is pound Aussie, and the final one we called was dollar yen. And dollar yen looks good for this trend line, but we actually enter the trade at this dip because we enter on a 4-hour chart or an hourly chart. So it was more of a bearish move on that. So we entered that trade and we got stopped out at the top of this box. So that was a -1 trade. So all in all, it's -2% and looking like Depending on if you took your trades on the hour or the 4-hour chart, you're looking at a plus 9% or a plus 5%. So you'll be in profit overall. In terms of setups for this week, there are no new trades that I can see setting up just yet. We still have 3% floating risk on our trades, so I wouldn't advise taking any new trades, and I would just leave those to materialize until they hit target one before we will enter a new trade. So I'll keep a lookout. Anything pops up during the week, as per always, I would send an update to all our members for that. But if it doesn't, then I will review these setups next week, have a look at all of our open positions and see if they've hit the target. So until next week, guys, happy trading and speak soon.